Today's video is one of America's favorite, spaghetti and meatballs. Stick with me until the very end of this video, and I will share with you my recipe for this delicious and juicy recipe for meatballs, cooked in an easy-to-make marinara sauce. I'm Paula Romero, welcome to La Bella Pasta channel. Here are the ingredients for the meatball. 1 onion, 2 eggs, garlic paste, salt and pepper, parsley, breadcrumbs, parmesan cheese, and meat. I use a combination of ground beef and ground pork. In the food processor, we blend the onions. We blend the onions with eggs and parsley, garlic, salt and pepper. Transfer this mixture to a bowl, and to this we add the breadcrumbs and the parmesan cheese. Now to this mixture, we're gonna add the beef and the pork, and we're gonna mix this all together. For this, I'm gonna use my hands. So let's dig in. For some reason, the bowl doesn't stop moving. The meat is going to absorb all of this mixture. And the flavors, the combination of the flavors between the parsley, garlic, the parmesan cheese, it's going to be amazing. Next, shape the meatballs about the size of a golf ball, loosely like this, and place them on a parchment paper lined baking tray, just like that. I have some marinara sauce already here going, and that I prepared before. By the way, we have a full dedicated video for marinara sauce. Please check the card. And now we're gonna cook the meatballs straight into the sauce. meatballs are done. And one tip, if you wanna, they freeze very well. So if you wanna freeze them, make sure that you let it cool down to room temperature, let it cool completely in the refrigerator, and then you put in the Ziploc bags and put it in the freezer. Spaghetti al dente. Everything is done. Let's put this dish together. Deserves a little bit more sauce. Parmesan cheese. Here we have some amazing pasta with this delicious and juicy meatballs. Let's see how it looks. It's nice. See? So good. Now I have to try hot. Madonna. So good. So good. You should try. This recipe is amazing. You're gonna love it. Also, if you think it's too much meatballs, you can also bake them in the oven and serve them as an appetizer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And if you haven't done yet, please make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification button so you know when we post something new. See you next time. Bye bye.